Autodesk Infrastructure Design Suite is a comprehensive software solution combining the tools needed to plan, design, build, and manage transportation, utility, land, and water infrastructure. The suite extends familiar AutoCAD workflows by adding the power of Building Information Modeling, BIM, for infrastructure, including model-based design, analysis, visualization, and simulation. With Autodesk Infrastructure Design Suite, you can plan and manage your projects with greater confidence. The suite can help you inform your critical design decisions earlier in the process and develop a better understanding of existing conditions. Integrated GIS capabilities help you gain insight into both project feasibility and impact. Infrastructure Design Suite's model-based approach helps you evaluate more alternatives, perform faster design iterations, and develop more consistent and accurate plan sheets. The suite's unique approach helps you incorporate engineering standards and design validation rules. By integrating analysis and simulation in the design process, Infrastructure Design Suite can help you improve project performance. You can conduct engineering analysis for stormwater and wastewater systems and electric distribution networks. The suite facilitates time and material savings by computing earthwork volumes and performing quantity takeoffs. Tools that simulate construction and logistics also help increase visibility into project constructability and schedules. Autodesk Infrastructure Design Suite can help you validate decisions and better communicate with stakeholders to get projects approved faster. You can explore conceptual design ideas using a visually rich 3D environment, present compelling project proposals, and more quickly create near photorealistic visualizations and animations directly from your design models. Available in 3 editions to help meet your workflow needs, Autodesk Infrastructure Design Suite helps provide the tools you need to implement a BIM process to plan, design, build, and manage civil and utility infrastructure.